So I apologize for this quick and dirty video here, but just to give you a basic rundown of what may have happened with your particular unit. When you upgraded from the M10 tray, which was only basically the bottom half of the cage, to the full cage, just like this one, the orientation, as you already know, may have been when you took the cage apart, this might have spun in any one of 4 positions. So first thing you can check is if you have it in this position and it's spinning crazy. The reason why it's spinning like that is because the gimbal is trying to reorientate itself to be level with the horizon, because it's getting all the data from this puck right here that's underneath the camera. So if one of the axes is off, the other 2 axes are going to try and compensate for that to put it level where it needs to be. There was a firmware upgrade for that originally, and that's why we find this case so unusual with yours, why it's doing that. What you basically would do to check to see, there's 2 things you can do. First is obviously remove the camera lens, undo just the one side, because basically all you're doing is removing these rods, turning this 180 degrees, and then sliding the rods up back through, and then boot it up and adjust the pan stiffness to 1 and see if it still spins like crazy. The other thing is that's 180 degrees off. Because of where you may have mounted this assembly, it may be 90 degrees off only. And if it is 90 degrees off, what you'll have to do is take the bolts out and reposition this 90 degrees, screw it back in, and then do that same procedure with moving the rods. So you basically have 4 choices of what position this can be in. Obviously the position that it's in now, the way you have it set up, is making it spin, so you've only got 3 positions left. So try that. Try first the 180 degree flip. Put it back together by putting the rods back in. If the unit's still spinning, power it off. Physically remove the bolts. Turn it 90 degrees, position the holes 90 degrees, put it in and do the same procedure. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the support ticket. Thanks, bye.